Yang hari tu introduction pun tak sempat. Okay, chapter 4, Green Technology for Environmental Sustainability, how to sustain our environment, how to conserve and preserve our environment. Okay, what is the meaning of green technology? Okay, definition of green technology. What are the sectors available in green technology? And then application of green technology in our daily life. Okay, what you need to learn is all 6. There are 4.1 until 4.6 in green technology chapter. Okay, we go straight to definition of green technology, by green technology concept. Okay, here. What is green technology? Green. Green here refer to our environment, our environment and our nature, forest, a living thing, including human, plants, animals. So green, refer to green. Okay, technology that we use from the application of science knowledge, physics, chemistry, biology, the technology. Okay, green technology is the development and application of product. How we apply the product, okay, how we apply the product, how we apply the equipment, and how we apply the system, okay, in order to conserve our environment, to sustain our environment and nature. Okay, that is green technology. It is the development, pembangunan, perkembangan, development in the products, development in the equipment, development in the system. What are systems that we use to sustain our environment? Okay, in order to conserve the environment, to take care of our environment and nature, and also to reduce the negative effects, such as pollution from the human activities. Loh Ki Hong. Yeah, there is green technology, development and application of what? Product, equipment, and system use. Why? To conserve our environment and nature, and also reduce the negative effects, such as pollution. Okay, green technology is very important in overcome the destruction of the environment, to overcome the destruction, nak halang pemusnahan persekitaran, and also to reduce carbon emission. Reduce carbon emission by what? By the factory. Carbon emission, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, okay, carbon emission that is produced by factory, by vehicles, pengangkutan, transportation, vehicles, bus, car, motorcycle, and also factory, the smoke of the factory. Okay, third, green technology also important to improve human health and lifestyle. Human health and lifestyle. Okay, the fourth one is to conserve the country's natural resources, to take care or to conserve, to maintain the natural resources. What are our natural resources? Petroleum. Okay, we know that petroleum is non-renewable resources, so we must to conserve these natural resources by applying renewable energy sources. Okay, what are natural sources? Forest, our forest, water. Okay, we want to reduce the pollution, water pollution. We want to conserve our forest. No illegal logging, no deforestation anymore to make paper or else. And then petroleum. We want to reduce the use of petroleum. Okay, for car, vehicles, and for other energy. So that we need to apply renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources. Solar, from the sunlight. Okay, what else? Solar, wind. Okay, water also. renewable energy sources. Okay, can green technology important in overcome destruction, reduce carbon emission, improve human lifestyle, and conserve the natural resources. Okay. See the picture here. We have a solar car. A solar car use sunlight to move the car, to move the vehicles, in order to reduce the use of fossil fuels. We want to reduce the use of fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, petrol, and natural gas. Natural gas is fossil fuels. Fossil fuels consist of coal, petroleum, natural gas. So in order to reduce this fossil fuel, we use renewable energy sources such as solar energy. Okay. Other than solar energy, we can use wind energy. Wind energy. Windmill. Okay, windmill. Renewable energy sources are used to generate energy. What type of energy? Electricity. Okay, electricity. Other than wind, we also use water, hydroelectric power station, hydroelectric energy. We build them and use hydroelectric power station. Right. How we relate energy efficiency to green technology? Relating energy efficiency to green technology. Okay, what is energy efficiency? Okay, this one we already know. Green technology. Development and application of the product system. Okay, that's green technology. Now we want to relate the green technology with the energy efficiency. Right. For green technology to succeed in our country, there are a policy here, which are national green technology policy, policy teknologi hijau kebangsaan, policy teknologi hijau kebangsaan, National Green Technology Policy that was launched in July 2009. So a few years ago, 2009. Okay, there are four main pillars that uphold the National Green Technology Policy. Empat tonggak utama, four pillars, which is energy, environment, economy, and social. 3E1S. 3E1S. Energy, environment, economy, social. Okay, energy, environment, economy, social. Okay, for energy, we want to promote energy efficiency. We want to promote energy efficiency. What is energy efficiency? Okay, if you like your textbook here, energy efficiency.
Penjimatan elektrik juga.
Keberkesanan. How efficient energy use. Okay, berapa banyak tenaga yang dihasilkan. Okay, if you look here, energy efficiency refers to the use of less energy. We only use less energy. Kita guna sedikit sahaja tenaga, okay, to carry out work at the same or higher rate without affecting the production and the quality of the desired outcome. Panjang sangat dia punya maksud ni. Okay, energy efficiency sebenarnya dia hasilkan useful energy, more useful energy is produced. More useful energy is produced rather than waste energy. Okay, if we want to know that the product is have energy efficiency, and we look at the product, either it produce a lot of useful energy or waste energy. Let's say we have a comparison between bulb, okay, a bulb biasa, mentol biasa dengan LED. Okay, compare bulb and LED. So which one has a more energy efficiency? Bulb or
LED.
LED? So LED lah. Why LED? Kenapa LED? Why you say LED give more energy efficiency, has more energy efficiency?
Because they don't use the
Ah.
yes electric. Nak cakap je kau. Tapi dia tak guna elektrik kan, dia guna dia punya wiring. Entah.
Apa tak guna elektrik? Maksud nak ambil kat mana?
Tak, bukan, maksudnya dia tak apa lah.
Cakap je lah, mana tahu betul.
Requires less energy to power it.
Okay, less energy to
Wow,
power, to
smart.
switch on. Okay,
Yes.
less energy. Even LED use less energy, but it produce brighter light, right? Dia
Yes.
punya cahaya lagi
Yes.
terang compared to bulb. And also it produce less heat. Produce less
Yes.
heat rather than bulb. Kalau bulb
Yes.
biasa yang bulat tu, okay, got filament here. This one use more energy in order to light the filament here. So and then it produce more heat. Lagi panas. Lagi lama lagi panas. Compare to LED, dia tak panas. Kurang panas. Less heat in produce and less energy require to power up. And then one more, more brighter. More brighter. So that is energy efficiency. Boleh faham? Boleh tak faham ni?
Boleh faham cikgu.
Boleh cikgu.
Okay, energy efficiency refers to the use of less energy to carry out work at the same or higher rate without affect the production, without wasting other energy, such as heat energy. Okay, back to four main pillar energy, promote energy efficiency, and then for environment, we want to reduce negative effect, pollution, and conserve the environment at the same time. Okay, for economy, we want to increase the country economy. Number four, social, we want to improve the quality of life. Okay. Right. What happen when energy efficiency is applied? Or we give a priority for this energy efficiency in our country. The energy can be conserved. Okay, energy can be conserved. The country's economy can be strengthened, diperkuatkan, and reduce wastage. Number three, waste can be converted into a cleaner and safer. Okay, into a cleaner and safer form of renewable energy. When we practice this green technology, we can increase energy conservation. The energy can be conserved. The country's economy can be increased or strengthened. And third one, waste can be converted into cleaner and safer form. Okay. Malaysia have done with the green technology. Okay, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 implementation have been carried out. Okay, we use energy labels. Okay, energy labels in our electrical device. Okay, dekat lampu, dekat machine, washing machine ni adalah. Okay, how many stars? So 5 stars refer to that the electrical device are very or have energy efficiency, higher
Yes.
energy efficiency. Okay,
Cikgu,
kalau yang
so
5 star.
maksud dia lagi banyak asal lagi mahal lah.
Ha.
Hmm.
Yelah.
Betul
Lagi
betul.
bagus lah. Okay, and then we have Green Building Index, GBI, Indeks Bangunan Hijau. Okay, for this Green Building Index, refer to the building that has that produce less waste energy. Okay, energy efficiency technology campaign. Okay, make a campaign. Using electricity from solar source. We use solar panel. Okay, ada rumah yang guna solar panel. Banyak dekat Petaling ni. Okay, consumer awareness campaign. So there's 2 campaign here. Efficiency technology campaign and consumer awareness
Yes,
campaign.
dulu.
Through energy saving practice. How many people that practice the energy saving?
Sanjay.
Okay, now we go to sectors in green technology. In your textbook, we have seven energy sectors in green technology. Okay, energy sector. Okay, number 1 energy sector to produce electricity. Produce electricity. Agriculture. Okay, number 2 agriculture and forestry sector. For soil lah, emphasis soil and nutrient, and also focus on farming and agriculture, forest, conserve forest. Okay, transportation sector for vehicles, transportation, public, waste and wastewater management. Okay, this is one for waste disposal, where to dispose the waste and wastewater. Siapa tu? Buat apa tu?
Oh my god.
Cikgu dia tak tutup mic.
What are you doing Main tembak-tembak One, two, three, four, five. Number 5 is building sector. Okay. Focus on green building construction. For example, the diamond building. Okay. Use efficient use of energy and water and good solid waste management. Ini boleh baca sendiri Macam boring sikit. Okay. Number 6, industrial and manufacturing sector.
Cikgu sendiri
Focus
cakap
on
boring.
Yelah, sebab benda boleh baca.
Betul.
Okay, industrial and manufacturing sector. This one industry lah, factory. So this one we want to reduce the pollution. Pollution of water by acid rain and haze. And then ICT, information and communication technology, ICT sector. Okay, how to dispose this wastage. Yang mana yang benda yang tak guna ni, electronic component that we don't use, how to reduce. Okay, because these all are dangerous, dangerous material. And non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable material. Tak boleh nak lupus. Senang-senang je tak boleh nak lupus. Take many years, 100 years to compose. Okay. 4.2 energy sector. This is for the main four main energy sector. 4.2 with their social scientific issues and application. So 4.2 until 4.5 talk about the type of energy sector. From 7 sector here in 4.1, okay, we separate one by one. We take 4 only. 4 sector only, and then we discuss about the social scientific issues. Okay. You need to know for this one, in this 4.2 and the rest, what is the meaning of social scientific issues? Definition of social scientific issues. Okay, social scientific issues are open problems. Okay, masalah terbuka. Open problems that are controversial social issues related to science. Okay, these issues also emphasize moral and scientific application on real world situation. It means that in energy sector, okay, we have social scientific issues such as global warming, air pollution created by the factory, global warming by the production of carbon monoxide, by the carbon emission, deforestation, water pollution, and discriminate waste disposal. So all this related to science, related to science. So we need to emphasize on moral and scientific application to solve this problem. Right. Social scientific issues arise as a result of human activities. We have the social scientific issues because ourselves, because of the human activities, from the open burning, from the pollution that we put in the water that cause water pollution, from the illegal logging. So all that from the human activities. Okay. For example, emission of greenhouse gases. What is greenhouse gases? Saiful,
Yes, teacher. Yes.
what is the greenhouse gas? Greenhouse gases.
Oh, apa,
Gas apa?
ah, CFC, betul? Betul.
Ha ha ha.
Saya lupa lah cikgu, tapi dulu saya ingat nama dia.
CFC.
Betul.
Bukan KFC.
Ka kar kar apa tah?
Carbofluoro.
Karbon. Betul tak?
Ya ke? Satu
Betul.
lagi siapa?
Tak.
Awak ni. Chlorofluorocarbon.
Kloro, betul betul betul. Betul.
Klorin.
Tapi
Klorin,
yang
klorin, carbon.
yang belakang tu saya betul lah dia. Betul.
Okay. This one for depletion. Depletion of ozone layer. Penipisan lapisan ozon. CFC come from aerosol. From the aerosol can. From the freezer. Refrigerator. And then air conditioner. Aircon. Freezer, aircon, aerosol can. So this produce chlorofluorocarbon gases. This one for depletion of ozone layer. Greenhouse gases come from carbon dioxide. Saiful, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide.
Betul.
Greenhouse gases. So this greenhouse gases can cause climate change, increase in temperature. Earth temperature will increase. Earth temperature will increase because it blocks the movement of carbon dioxide to the outer space. So our Earth will become hot. Carbon dioxide cannot be released to outer space. That is greenhouse gases.
Betul tak cikgu?
So the greenhouse effect causes drought, kemarau, flash floods, and increase in earth temperature, thunderstorm, and the destruction of biodiversity. Okay. Example of social scientific issues regarding of human activities. Okay, social scientific issues in the energy sector. Okay, baru masuk yang first, energy sector. Sektor yang pertama, energy sector. Okay, what are the social scientific issues that relate with the energy sector? Okay, first, the use of fossil fuels. The use of fossil fuel increase every year. Yeah, this is the first issue. And the fossil fuel are also depleted. The volume, dia punya number, kegunaan dia, usage pun akan decrease lah. So that's the issue. Okay, second issue, if we use the petroleum, if we use the fossil fuel, it will produce greenhouse gases. It will produce greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Okay, and then the third issues, it will cause climate change. Climate change. Okay. Below here, climate change. So there are three social scientific issues related to energy sector. The usage of fossil fuel increase. Second, it will produce greenhouse gases. And the third one, it will affect the climate change. Okay. Now, application of green technology. After we know the social scientific issues in the technology in the energy sector there, so we can apply the green technology to overcome the issue that we have found in the energy sector. Okay. So before that, we need to know how energy is produced or supplied. Okay, two aspects. Two aspects that are emphasized. Two aspects that we focus in green technology to solve the issue is how energy is produced or supplied, and the efficiency in usage and distribution of energy produced. Okay. How to apply green technology to overcome the issue that we found just now. Okay. The first one, the first example, if we use wind energy source, wind energy sources to replace the fossil fuel, because wind energy sources is clean energy, clean energy. But in Malaysia, we cannot build this windmill. We need a wide area, big area. Kita kena ada kawasan yang luas in order to build this windmill. To build this windmill, we need a more space. We need more space. And then the area must be free of barrier. No barrier. No mountain. No mountain, no hill, so that we get a strong air, strong wind. Okay, second, we already applied this, which is hydro energy sources in a hydroelectric power station. This one already have, Malaysia already have this one. Okay, boleh? Okay, other than that, we have solar energy source. Number 3, we have solar energy source. So, dah ada, dekat PJ dah ada. Kebanyakan rumah, we use the solar panel. We use solar panel. That produce solar energy source. Okay. This one rainy season cannot use lah. Okay, and next geothermal energy source. Geothermal energy source. Geo means earth. Thermal means heat. So we get the heat from the earth. From earth. Underground. From underground. So let's say this one hot water from underground that produce steam. And then we release back the cool water under the ground. That's geothermal energy source. Ini pun susah dekat Malaysia. Ini untuk tempat tertentu sahaja yang ada kolam air panas. Kolam air panas. Glacier pun kita tak ada. So geothermal dengan wind energy ni susah nak tengok dekat Malaysia. Susah nak dapat. Kita hanya ada solar energy, itu pun kalau musim panas. Musim panas. Okay. So done with 4.2. Habis. 4.2. 4.1 and
Lajunya.
4.2. Dah lah.
Tapi yang ni banyak baca juga cikgu.
Banyak baca.
Betul.
Ni soalan structure. Dia akan tanya apa social scientific issue. Dia akan tanya isu je, apa dia isu dia. Energy sector, apa isu dia. Okay, in 4.3 we have waste and wastewater. Apa isu untuk wastewater? Sisa kumbahan, sisa air dan sisa kumbahan. So sama juga ada social scientific issue dan juga application. Semua until 4.5. 4.6 saja lain. 4.6 dia punya application. So boleh 2 unit hari ni. 4.3 nanti esok kita habiskan sampai 4.6.
Baik cikgu. Cikgu, so satu minggu sains berapa kali? 2, 3 kali eh?
2 kali je. Hari ni dengan esok kan.
Oh, okay.
Ha.
Tapi kalau esok sampai 4.6 maksudnya dah habis 4 lah.
Ya.
Uyo.